I just got this bike a week ago. It's a pretty good bike, you know. I'm just gonna keep it stock. This bike's really good, man. I've only had it for a month. We got the full pro circuit. We got the pro taper handlebars, pro taper sprocket. We got full race tech 8-kit suspension here. Got the graphics. She's race ready, boys. Alright, man, you ready to hit the track?
Heck yeah, I'm ready to hit the track. What do you think this is? This has got some horsepower.
Always gotta check your oil, man. High maintenance.
Maintenance? Who does that? Well, I'm pretty much factory. Got Fox is sending me stuff, 100%. They're hooking me up. Alpine Stars, they want to get out on the action. Mobius, they got to protect their factory rider. I mean, I'm basically pro.
Not motocross.
Remember did you see that race last weekend with Tomac and Kenny?
Yeah.
I think I can take them.
You sure about that?
I think I can.
I mean, you're on a 250 here, but...
No, that doesn't matter. I'm fast. Because I remember I was talking to this guy at the track last weekend. He was there with his kid, and he said I was pretty fast, so, you know, that must mean I could go pro. And if I can go pro, I can take all of them. Bro, you gotta stay on the flow.
I'm on the flow.
No, you're not. Why won't you hit it?
I'm too dusty. No. I don't have my license. I left it at home. Way too windy. I can't throw a fat whip. You get that? You get that? You see that?
Yeah, I got your whip.
Let's go.
All right. You can do it. No man too small, no bike too big. This looks, I look big enough on it, right?
Sure.